Voice of Imalic song called Produce. You don't know.
I must say I'm very impressed.
Yo, Imalic.
To commend you and say you can.
This is the one from Imalic. Imalic.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know.
Welcome to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Yes, good morning, everyone, the viewers and subscribers. Welcome, Kings and Queen. Blessed Wednesday. Yeah, I'm there up on the bus, you see it? So we get some paint right now. We do some loader board. I got order for 2 loader board, so you don't know. Set lotion colors. Yeah. Pick up all the lotions, you know. All the lotion people, big up on yourself, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, big up all the set lotion. All the Caribbean people, then big up on the damn stuff. Yeah. I don't know if my song a bit low, I don't know the bus put up on the can't show, you see it? I know I vlog on the bus, so I don't know. You see it? Yeah, what if I love? Now I covered the story before, the policeman who kidnapped the lady and murdered her, killed her, and Sarah Everard. I did cover it before, so he has now pleaded guilty. You see me? Yeah, he has pleaded guilty to raping the woman and killing her. You don't know when some man and then some man sick. What could I go in your head for possess if you go rape a little child plus a big woman, adult? But this person was an adult. A Clapham Common Park, you know. Yeah, she went missing and then find her a week later in the bushes. You see me? So he has pleaded guilty now. You know, a long time now, so he will again for now, you see me? Yeah, man, so you know the family that must feel justified and pleased. Even though that can't bring back them daughter, you know, and them sister, them brother, auntie. You see what I say? Sarah Everard, R.I.P. And my condolence to the families them again. You see what I say? I don't know why the man them. Some man sick in the middle. Sick in the middle. They say the woman and your man, you don't try to live with Sarah and get her, but you're going to go to violence, rape, kidnap, murder. We say stop the violence against women. See? Yeah, man, so that was a quick update for the viewers and subscribers. Yeah, police boy, you know. British cop admits to kidnapping and raping woman, you don't know. So he was an half-duty police with him badge and everything, so like he must stop her and show her him badge and I don't know what got him, but him do him for do, you know? Heartless, wicked. And then also the medical reports about the police officer. You know, he didn't turn up, but he appeared by video link. You know what I mean? The lady, she was 33 years old, marketing executive, you know? Blonde. Yeah, man, so justified. Some viewers and subscribers, as I said, nobody is perfect and nobody is. Some people different, you know? You see them look normal, but them sick and them in trouble, disturbed. You see? You know what I mean? So that was a quick update. Yeah, but now so you will find out life Maggie. Normal viewers and subscribers, a lady, you know. I don't know if this is a prank or somebody just video the thing and I use the voice or it's real, but if it is real, a person is really ungrateful. So post a video and tell me what I think what that person we attack. Because I don't feel somebody could have been so ungrateful.
78.
See me?
To Shoreditch. Yeah.
Eh? I don't want nobody come say me ungrateful. I never give nobody nothing for put down, so I not look for nothing for nobody. Cause I know it's foreign hard and no found over there back shit out of agmouth. Let me tell you something. Me no want nobody take up no whole heap of Campbell soup and no tomato paste and all them something. The people them nah name them something no matter how healthy it be, them nah name it cause we don't know it. You understand? And it just so hard, you know, right about now, you borrow money for go clear the barrel. Pay for paperwork, pay Chuckman for cover the barrel, and when you bust barrel, and them something you see in a barrel, you don't know people feel. And another thing again, you stop put the old frozen clothes them in the barrel. You understand? The old frozen dead left clothes them with the old people them dead left, stop put them in the barrel. Cause much as we pour and pauperizing, we have taste. And I don't want nobody say me not appreciate nothing, I appreciate everything, but good God Almighty man, nobody not name them sitting here.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers are here. Yeah, them say too much thin things. Them not used to them something there, all of them things. The person we attack. I know people do things we get viral and prank and me really, I say it not real, you know. I try to believe say it not real. You see me? I try to say it not real. Because you have some people ungrateful for choose to, you know. They send all a barrel go get them, and what is them a send come? You see? Even though I care what, you have to appreciate the old clothes. I pack barrel in old clothes and I give my sister. She go sell rare market. So you go rare market around downtown. Most people are selling second-hand clothes and shoes and all of them things. Yeah. So if you know what you think in the comment section, the person behind this, are they grateful or you think it's somebody just attack and I feel that they think things because in reality you have people who stay say yes. You send out something to give somebody and they must say, what is someone sending come give me? That's something that I hear this. You see me? But yet still when you fly down, when you fly in and you put on all your shoes or your pants or something, they must say, you're begging your pants then. Left the shoes there with me now, left the slippers there with me now. And the same thing. But me personally, I don't have a problem with that. If me fly down on somebody